Guys, in this video we will be checking out the Nataku by Supernova 1/100 scale that I built back in 2018. A bit of history. This is one of the first version kit that the brand released. This means this does not come with a stand. Comes with a large sticker sheet for some color separation and a very soft plastic, especially the yellow pieces. The Nataku is quite a challenging kit because of the sharp and pointy pieces. Also, there are some pegs and pieces that will require sanding in order to fit. However, it was a fun build till the articulation check. Let's start things with the neck. The neck joint is good. The ball joint is very loose. For the up crunch and waist, very minimal movement on the upper joint. Looking great on the waist. For the arms, we will have to remove the dragon attachments first. No problem with the shoulder armor. For the shoulder joints, impressive. It's tight. Elbows and wrists are still looking good. Skirt joints are still good, except for falling pieces. Now for the legs. Leg joints are somewhat loose, but still holding. Knees, good condition. The ankle, on the other hand, is somewhat loose. The toes, well, still tight. Now let's proceed to the dragging unit that was removed earlier from the arms. This part consists of joints. Lots of joints. Now we will check it individually to see if it could still hold up the dragon unit at the end. Sadly, most of the neck joints are already loose. This means I'm forced to use the support stand that was included in the kit if I wish to do some poses. I don't see any problems with the mandible joints. These parts are still tight. Well, I'm glad that majority of the joints are still in good condition, even if this kit was built a couple of years ago and are still tight, especially the set of shoulder joints. That's all for the review. If you're still here, please do leave a like. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.